after a lengthy dry spell, we finally started seeing some merger activity again. Take First Horizon, the Tennessee-based regional bank, more than 250 locations across the Southeast. On Monday, we learned that First Horizon is merging with the Louisiana-based IberiaBank to create a new regional banking colossus. It's a merger of, well, let's say not quite equals, with First Horizon shareholders taking 56% of the combined company. Well, one's $5 billion, the other one is $4 billion. Now, this company has been one of our favorite regional names for ages. After languishing for years, the group's begun to rally over the summer. And while First Horizon stock got dinged after the company reported a solid quarter a few weeks ago, it swiftly rebounded even before the deal was announced. I am very intrigued by this combination, so let's dig deep with Bryan Jordan. He's the chairman, president, and CEO of First Horizon National. Learn more about the IberiaBank merger and what it means. Mr. Jordan, welcome back to Mad Money.
Thank you. Thanks for having me back.
All right, Bryan, a lot of people feel that the day of mergers and banks is over, that some of them are just too big to merge. You continue to find ways to grow through mergers. Tell us what this one means for First Horizon shareholders.
Well, this is pretty exciting for us. As you know, we've been a one-state franchise. We merged with Capital Bank, expanded into the Carolinas, and now with IberiaBank, the combination in this merger of equals creates a real southern powerhouse. IberiaBank has a presence in Louisiana, Florida, and multiple states across the Southeast like Alabama and Georgia where we don't have a presence. And we create a tremendous franchise, strong presence in Florida, high growth markets all across the Southeast, and a balance sheet that gives us the capability to serve customers in new and differentiated ways.
Now, how different are the two banks in terms of the different systems you have? We've learned that sometimes when these bank mergers get together, whether it be through cyber security or whether it be through the kind of programs that digitize, that sometimes it is difficult to merge, sometimes it's easy. How different are the two banks?
The systems, I think, will be relatively easy, and the encouraging part to me is the culture of the two organizations are very, very similar. We have similar go-to-market strategies. We have a community orientation. We have local market decision-making, a customer partnership focus. And with limited overlap, we think we'll have limited impact on not only our customers, but also our employees and customer-facing folks.
I'm incredibly conscious of the fact that where you've moved to now is the other hottest area of the country, which is that Louisiana, Florida area. And you're already in what I think is the fastest growing market in our country, which is Tennessee. Do you see an above GDP growth for the area that you're now involved in?
Yes, we have strong economic growth. In the South, the customer activity continues to be very good, and I'm encouraged by what I see, not only in talking to customers, but also what we see in financial statements and balance sheets. And one of the neat things about this combined franchise that IberiaBank and First Horizon bring together is an above-market growth rate. We're forecasted to grow in household growth rate 25% faster than the United States as a whole. So not only is the South strong today, we think we're positioned in this merger to be an even better growth rate for the long term.
I keep seeing organizations move to your area, particularly to Tennessee, but of course, because of oil and gas, how well people are doing in Louisiana is amazing. And I'll give you an example. I saw Mitsubishi shifted its North American headquarters to Tennessee. Alliance Bernstein, holy cow, that moved to Tennessee. It was certainly noticed this weekend at College Game Day, where you can see that Memphis is kind of on fire. Tell me what is about the great migration into your area of banking.
Yeah, it's fantastic not only for us as bankers, but it's great for our communities. It strengthens the entire community when you have an in-migration. And as I've mentioned before in conversation, look, it helps to have good or favorable tax policy, good work environment, and good, strong quality, high quality labor and educated workforce. And not only here in Tennessee, but the Carolinas, Florida, all across the South, we have got a great opportunity to continue to attract in-migration of business and talent and see strong economic growth over the next several years.
One last question. I know that when we spoke last, you did feel that maybe the Fed had gone overboard. Now they've done the cuts that I think that both of us feel are necessary. Positive signal?
I think it's a positive signal that they've cut and they signaled a pause. I think they feel like, at least in their communication, that they have gotten to a place where they want to see some more data. I think the third quarter GDP data was encouraging. And as I said, what we see from borrowers and the economy, at least here in the South, it continues to look good. The consumer's strong. I'm encouraged about the outlook.
Well, congratulations on, I think, what's going to be a very, very good deal. That's Bryan Jordan. He's the chairman, president, and CEO of First Horizon. Remains my favorite regional bank. Mad Money's back after the break.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @JimCramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.